I met a stranger on the street and now I'm staying at his place. And his place turns out to be one of the most beautiful places I've stayed in. And here I am packing up, second guessing my decision to trust someone that I met on the street. But you know, I do couch surfing and warm showers during my travel, and I don't think this will be that different from it. So everybody was cool and chill when I met them on the street. I think this is nothing compared to that time where I decided to sleep on a truck in Sabah. So the person I'm staying with is the owner of TV Tab. You can find him just outside Jonken Street. So it serves coffee and drinks, and if you do pass by and happen to purchase a drink from him, just tell him that Wing say hi to you. Near his van is a place where people chill out. So what happened was I was in Malacca for 2 nights and want to spend one more night just to finish my video editing. And I was sharing with them that I was planning to go to the campervan campsite at Malacca because why not? And firstly, I was warned that it's not a very nice campsite. And secondly, someone warned me that there was actually a case of sexual assault that happens at that campsite. And we continued chatting. I can't remember if he offered or I shamelessly asked him for a place to stay, but I ended up staying at his place for 2 nights. And if you really think about it, people who offer their house for someone else to stay has more to lose. So there was this one time when I was couch surfing, back when couch surfing was still a small community. I was in Japan and a disaster struck a region of Japan. I can't remember exactly what was the disaster. And our host just left my friend and I a note saying that she will be gone for a few days. And we still have free access to her place. I would say most people are quite trusting and they do not have bad intentions. But this doesn't mean that I'll let my guard down when I travel alone. Because bad things do happen. We're gonna be staying in Malacca for a bit more. Yeah, if I have more time, I would actually love to explore Malacca city a bit more. Photogenic.
Last time I got one stand mirror. He always go stand mirror then look at
Look at
really, you know? And then the mirror pecah by my cat lah. But the phone will go there and then just stand in front of the mirror. She's sitting and looking at him.
Dogs also vain, huh?
Feeling good for himself.
Yeah, and it's very cool. Like this is... I have a very good time spending time with him and his girlfriend. We cycle around Malacca, eating good food. And we also try to fix my new bike stand, which turns out to be quite quite problematic. I couldn't change my stand over there because they do not have one that fit my bicycle. We have to go back to the bicycle shop twice to have a temporary solution.
Yeah, like mermaid like that. You know it's what? It's a Mala's cat.
Mala's cat.
And his place is a vibe. And there's stories behind the decorations. And what is very impressive is that some of them is even made from recycled materials. An artfully designed house, a garden, pets, and a few strays coming in and out of the house. Honestly, that is quite ideal. This is the kind of lifestyle that I really can't dream of having in Singapore.
Of the clouds above, the sound of rain along the pond. The grass that grows beneath my feet, I close my eyes, the hum of bees.
These are some of the food that we ate in Malacca. In my next video, I will be camping at Gunung Ledang. Until then, stay curious and see you outside. Bye!